Yeah, I'm kind of excited to see how this is gonna come out. I don't know.
Early in the morning, late at night. It don't even matter what time it is.
Hey y'all, welcome back or welcome to my channel. If you're new here, then period. So today I'm gonna try to recreate this look right here. I'm seeing it around again. I think she did this a couple months ago, and I remembered that I have a similar wig like this. Why not? I got this wig a couple of months ago, and I only wore it one time, and it ain't never seen the light of day again because I don't really do colored wigs. My go-tos are the blacks and the browns. I don't know why, but I just be nervous to wear colored wigs, even though this color is super pretty. I got this in a 20-inch, and I did cut it to my shoulders the time that I did wear it off of Amazon from Hermosa Hair. And I think I could do it. Stepping out of my comfort zone a little bit with this colored hair, but we gonna get right. So I already did bleach and wash this hair. It is a 13x4. So this will be perfect for the style that I'm trying to do. So if you guys want to see how I recreated this look, then just keep watching. Before y'all do that, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And let's see what your girl can do. Y'all, I'm kind of excited to see how this is gonna come out. So now that my wig cap is on, I go in with my two go-to products, my Got To Be glue, and I put that all around my hairline. So now I just sectioned off the hair and started straightening it.
I just been ballin' out every season. Knowing some niggas I left in the beach. I just been married to double cup. I got up on me and four inside another league. Time the best and then run it up. I gotta put the new bills inside of the freezer. Back at the trap, I was ducking the beat. Ducking the birds, sending out the meat. All of my diamonds gon' bust out the meter. I'm dripping water, nigga, I will feed them. Then that bitch Kevin if she think I need her. Hit her one time and then I gotta leave her. I'm a real street nigga. Gotta keep it a rap with my people. Turn the whole squad to bosses. I can't be kicking shit like I'm Adidas. Young nigga pulling up inside the Bentley truck. I just be popping shit like hot grease. I remember dead sitting at the trap, about to call the plug, got a cop free. Look up the Pablo Escobar money, meet the Chapo, that's my top three. Bitch, I was serving the sidewalk, then I copped and drop, hopped in the street. You can't name a young nigga that's hot as me. All my niggas do murders and robberies. Got about 20 racks in a rabbit jean. Niggas thinking I won off the lottery. When I hop in the push start with the pound, niggas know that it ain't no stopping me. Out of town champ like Mayweather, got a new crib off the boxing ring. Put the new 40 autos on the Jeep, run up 30 in a week. I just fuck I don't eat. 45 under the pillow, 45,000 in the sheets. I want the bag.
Like, I don't know. Something about colored hair and me just don't go together. It this is the finished look. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I don't know, y'all. Is it giving? Is it giving? If you guys enjoyed that video, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And stay tuned for the next video.